Hi, welcome to all of you in this lesson. And in this lesson, I am going to share with you a very important, attractive, and more interesting lesson. And this lecture is very important for all of you, whether you belong to lawyer profession, whether you belong to doctor profession or any other. This lecture is only for you. Let's start. I'm going to share a very good technique which works a lot. This is 3R method techniques. What is the meaning of 3R method technique and what is the importance of 3R method techniques? The 3R method technique is read, record, and revise. Read means you have to read 1 hour daily. It is compulsory for you to make your habits to read for 1 hour daily. And after reading or while reading, you have to guess the meanings of the words. There will be many words which will be unknown to you. You have to guess the meaning of these words from the surrounding context. And after that, if you feel that there are also many words which are difficult to you, then skip the unknown and the difficult words. The second step is record. Record means underline the unknown words which you found while reading, and then use dictionary to get the meanings of these words. And after getting the meaning of these words, you have to jot down the words and their meaning. And after doing that, you have to revise, which is the third step of 3R method. You have to rewind the whole activity, whatever you have read, whatever you have gotten from this reading, which words you got from this reading. You have to rewind the whole activity in your mind. And after doing that, you have to make flashcard of those words which you feel are very difficult and unknown to you. Make flashcards and write the meanings and use them in sentences, and do this activity to remember for the future. And after that, use the vocabulary in your daily routine, in your conversations, in your talkings, in your parties, and in your wedding ceremonies. I think and I hope this 3R method technique is going to work for you. That's all from today. Bye bye.